Welcome back to the best dress watch on Amazon for under $200. On my left, I have here the FEICE FM202 Midnight Reserve, and on the right is the TIMEX Marlin chronograph. So I made a video about a week or two ago that I got these two watches because I was going to a wedding and I didn't really have a dress watch to accompany me. So I picked up these two, and being unable to decide which one I was going to take to the wedding, I ended the video there. But we are back. I have decided on one watch, but I will get into that. Beforehand, I do want to talk a little bit about this one, the FM 202 in Midnight Reserve, which I realized it's actually just this trim, so to speak. It's the black leather strap with the alligator print on it. And this is actually amazing value for what it is. It is automatic. I think I talked about that. It uses a Seagull movement. Seagull is a pretty reputable watch brand in China. And it has up here a power reserve indicator. So if I wind it, it's self-winding and you can also manually wind it. But you can see that power reserve indicator going up. That tells you how much momentum the mechanics inside have, so you know how long the movement will last before you got to wear it or charge it, or if you have a watch winder, then put it on your watch winder. So it is a very cool watch, but you probably already know, based on what I just said, the watch that I chose is the Timex Marlin. The reason that I chose this watch are uh, pretty much, it really comes down to personal preference. This watch does wear a little better on my wrist. Again, they're a bit on the thinner side, and this one is just the perfect size. But the more stylistic reasons is that this watch, it may be kind of hard to see, but the hands are kind of a metallic blue, and the suits and just my general attire when I'm dressing up is more darker colors. And I would say if I was wearing a lighter suit or like a navy blue suit, this would go perfect with. I do like this with some more casual styles, but yeah, that if these hands were a different color, I think this would have probably been the perfect watch for me, or dress watch that is. But yeah, for those reasons, I went more with this. So this is, I would say that I would call this a metropolitan style, and I would say this one is more of a Bauhaus style, or that really is what it is, a Bauhaus style. And I found one watch that is similar to this in style, and I think that this watch that I found, which is a Junghans, I think that that's the watch that this is supposed to be emulating, because again, this is a Chinese company, and I see a lot of their watches, they're kind of emulating luxury brands. But this one kind of has its own style, and again, it's a really nice watch. But for me, it was the Timex Marlin, and it is quartz. But again, when you're going for a dress watch, I think it doesn't really matter. I think it's all about style, and this one has loads of style. Okay, well, that pretty much does it for the watch series. Thank you for joining me and discussing these two fantastic watches. I will hopefully catch you in the next one.